Hey guys, what's up? JamieCuber here, and in today's video I'll be teaching you the H case COLLs. So here's the first case. I know two algorithms for this one. You recognise it with the two vertical bars when you hold the headlights on front, and the first algorithm goes like this. And the second one goes like this. It's just the reverse of that. You hold it from this angle and do this. Fast would look like this, or this. So this next case is where when you hold the headlights on front and back, you have these horizontal bars, and the algorithm is very simple. It's just F, triple sexy move, F prime. And that solves your corners. Fast would look like this. This next case is where when you hold the headlights on front and back, you have one horizontal bar here, and you hold it on the right and do this algorithm. It's the same as soon up until here, where the U2 you split up into two U's and put an L prime in between them, and then just put this pair back in. Fast would look like this. And finally, the one where you have this vertical bar, you hold it in front and do this algorithm. And I just remember it by watching this pair and how it moves throughout. Fast would look like this. So thank you guys for watching. Now whenever you get a H case in your solve, you can solve the corners of PLO as well. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. You can do that somewhere over here. Also, don't hesitate to leave anything in the comments down below. That's highly appreciated. I'll see you all next time. Have a great day.